welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm going to give you some exercises based on loops. Before that, let us do a problem that I had given you in the last video to print the multiplication tables till 10 using while loop, right? The first step whenever you're solving a problem is to look at what you are supposed to do, right? See, this is the output that we want here. We want to print the table from 1 to 10, so the output would look something like this. First, you need to write the output yourself, okay? And then you need to reduce the code, right? See, first the table of 1 comes there, 2 comes, 3 comes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 till 10. And how it is coming, you have to see that. Okay, so taking this table, 1, so first 1 is coming, then the table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 successively it is increasing. Okay, now when I'm printing the table of 1, first I multiply 1 into 1 equal to 1, then 1 into 2 equal to 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4, 1 into 5. So successively the numbers are increasing. Okay, first 1 comes, then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and so on till 10. This I'm talking about. And the rest part remains the same. Okay, this part is same, this equal to is same, and then this is different. Okay, it is the result of this operation. Okay. And the second thing, this was the first thing that is repeating in the program, right? For each table. The second thing is that first you're printing the table of 1, then 2, then 3. This is also increasing successively by 1. First 1, then 1 plus 1, 2, then 3, then 4, so on till 10. So there are two things which are repeating, right? You need to see this. First, observe the output carefully and think what I can do here. What is happening actually? Okay, what part of the program is repeating? If there is any form of repetition where only some part of the output is changing, then there maybe I can use a for loop or a while loop. You have to think like that. Okay, so there are two things that are repeating. First, which table I am printing, of which number, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. Okay, then for each table, what remains the same is that it will go from 1 to 10. Like for the table of 1, you are printing it from multiplying it by 1 till 10. Then for 2, again you're multiplying it from 1 to 10. Again for 3, you're multiplying from 1 to 10. Then for 4, you're doing the same thing till 10. That first loop will initiate the table, which table is being printed, and the second loop will print the table for that number. Okay, now let us implement this in Python. Right, so first of all, I will create a number table, a variable table, which has to start from 1 to 10. Okay. Now I'm applying a while loop, okay, while table less than equal to 10, okay, and now I will increase table by 1, table equal to table plus 1, or you can simply write table plus equal to 1. Okay, so this variable table will initiate the tables, like first 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. Now, when the table has been initiated, that is the table of 2 or it's the table of 1, then we are having another while loop, right? Which will print the table for that number. Okay, so while num less than equal to 10, because we are multiplying, right? Okay, so let me create num also, and num equal to 1. And now just see what I'm doing. While num less than equal to 10, and now the output was something like 1 cross 1 equal to 1. Okay, then 1 cross 2 equal to 2, right? Similarly, 1 cross, I'm saying cross, right? 3, okay? So let me do that here. First table comes up here, then I'm giving a cross and x actually, and then I write here num, okay? And num plus equal to 1, okay? Now, if you try to print the program, you are getting the table. So 1, this is the table of 1, then you get the table of 2, okay? You are not getting the product actually. So let me write here equal to table into num. Now, first 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 into 2 equal to 2. This is the table of 1, then the table of 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, up till 10. Okay, so please try to understand this program yourself. Try to make it in your notebook. Okay, this is how you learn problem solving. Okay, and if you have not made this table using for loop, now I think you will be able to make it. Right? Now I am having some exercise for you all. 2 questions. Okay, very good questions. Okay, first is take a positive integer as input from the user. Take a positive 3-digit integer as input from the user. Check whether the given number is an Armstrong number. Okay, so you have to take a 3-digit positive number like 321, any number from the user, and if we check whether the number is Armstrong number. Now, what is an Armstrong number? Now, suppose I take here 153. 153 is an Armstrong number. How? If you cube every digit of this number, okay, and sum it up, you will get 153 back again. 1 cube is 1, then this comes out to be 125, then 27, and if you add it, it is equal to 153. So when you do this thing, when you cube every digit of that number and then sum it up, then if you get the same number back again, then that is an Armstrong number. Similarly, with 407, you cube 4, then you cube 0, then you cube 7. And if you're getting 407 back again, then it's an Armstrong number. Okay. But if you do it with 4-digit numbers or for 5-digit numbers or for any n-digit positive integer, then there's a bit of change in the rules, right? Okay, then we are having, take a positive integer as input from the user, find the factorial of that number. Okay, you have to find the factorial. Suppose you take 4, means you are doing something like 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. And whatever you are getting, like in this case, I'm getting 24. This is the factorial of, okay. Similarly, if you do factorial of any number, like if you do factorial of 7, then that will be equal to 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, right? This is the factorial of a number, for any number. So suppose I ask you for the factorial of 1, then factorial of 1 will be 1 only. Okay, but now if I ask you the factorial of 0, okay, suppose the user gives you 0, just remember the factorial of 0 is 1. Okay, now try to do these exercises. I have given the solution of this one, and now you have to try these 2 exercises, and they will simply open your mind to loops, okay, if you do them yourself. So that's all for this video. Like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon.